a good while back, a couple months ago, I had a town hall meeting with the members of residents that live there then in the area. And I also expressed to them that the intention of the ministry, and it's definitely something that, of course, with all the different situations that take place, is something that has my priority, but took a bit of time, especially with our understaffing in Domain here. However, we're coming with a project team to kind of clean up the backlog, which ties into the point where Minister Justice is going to touch on respect to the notaries. There is indeed a lot of backlog, but to go back to the question, the intention is to legalize those that are legalizable. So that, because there also was a plan where there's a certain drainage where water has to pass through, and of course, it in the best interest of those persons, you cannot, be able to award them the land there if it's difficult for the water to pass. So those are different factors that need to take place. Of course, a reassessment also needs to take place with our engineering firm to determine what can stay and what can't stay. But in that meeting, that was also expressed and never ultimately followed up on because of the lack of human resource, to be quite honest. We have the entire registry. We also had persons that gave forward their names as a sort of a committee, and those persons consist of individuals that actually live there. And we also have drone images of what is there at the moment. Indication was also given to them to stop building. That was issued already in the past. So that, to be honest, I haven't heard any new developments of building there. So I'm glad that they are complying with that request. However, it is the intention to, as government, issue those persons that have their established homes and livelihood there for quite a while, to issue them the land in long lease so that they'll be able to legalize and better their situation, and also ultimately enhance their quality of life with security, knowing that that is theirs.